Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how I decorate a table for one. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club. It's called Bling on the Fall. It is Volgust. Now let me tell you who's hosting. Alright, so the main host is Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Then we have creations by Simone, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy, Miriam Creative Corner, Design to a T, and Amethyst Adventures. Alright, so I am setting a casual table here for one. It is budget friendly, and I think at the end it came out absolutely beautiful. So now the tablecloth, that was a thrifted item. And then we have that maple leaf placemat that came from the Dollar Tree along with the dishware. The dishware is absolutely beautiful. They're also carrying it in gray, so that was a great buy. The napkins were a thrifted item, and the napkin ring did come from Party City. So the flatware did come from Party City as well, and look at this floral arrangement. I absolutely love it, and believe it or not, all those florals did come from the Dollar Tree. The vase itself I DIY'd. The glassware, that was, the wine glasses did come from Dollar Tree, and I believe the water glasses were a thrifted item. Now I'm absolutely loving the way this table came out, and it's a casual table for one, which can be used all year long. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.